This is the most remarkable AI news channel of today. Monthly views, over 10 million. Estimated yearly earnings, more than $2,000. And there's another channel with 13.2 million subscribers, racking up views in the millions every month. And guess what? You can do this too, without showing your face, without spending hours recording. All you need is this AI tool and you can create viral news videos from home in just minutes. And start earning big. You can create any type of faceless video, run a professional news channel, and let this powerful AI tool do the talking. It's not just one, not two, but over 150 plus realistic AI avatars, lifelike and natural. Take a look at this video. I made the entire thing in 10 minutes using this AI tool.
From the latest technological breakthroughs to critical global issues, we uncover the events driving the future.
Experts believe that artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a catalyst for unprecedented advancements across industries.
Whether it's through our phones or our laptops, the innovations of tomorrow are being shaped today. Stay connected, because the future may be closer than you think.
Starting a news channel once required a team of writers, presenters, and studio setups. But now, with AI, anyone can launch a professional news channel in just a few hours. Whether you want to make content on fitness, TV news, movie reviews, product marketing, or almost any niche, this AI tool can do it within minutes. In this video, I'll teach you step-by-step how to build a powerful news channel brand, use AI tools to generate content fast, and reveal 8 profitable AI niches where you can create viral content and start earning big. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Create a channel. First things first, pick a catchy name that's short, easy to remember, and suits your niche. For example, I want to create a tech news channel that targets audiences from America. Why? Because if I get 1,000 views from India, I might earn just $1 to $4 from AdSense. But if I get 1,000 views from the US or Europe, I can make $30 to $40, that's 4x higher RPM. To brainstorm unique channel names, you can use ChatGPT. Just type this prompt. Suggest some unique names for a tech news channel. I'll go with Text24 for my channel. Next, you'll need a logo and banner, and you can create both for free using Canva. Just search for channel banner in Canva, pick a template, and customize it. Same goes for logos. Search for logo templates, choose one you like, and design your own. Look, my logo and banner are ready. Step 2. Create professional AI-generated news videos. I've shared the tool link in the description. It's called Vebo.com. This powerful tool works both online and as software. It includes amazing features like AI montage maker, AI clip generator, text-to-speech voice cloning, now even a URL to video feature that instantly converts articles into videos. For my Text24 channel, I'll create a professional tech news video. First, find a trending tech news story, search Top Tech News Today for the latest headlines. For example, I found this story on BSNL's new speed test feature, a trending topic with huge potential for views. Next, I'll copy the article's content and use ChatGPT to turn it into an engaging video script. Write a YouTube script for a tech news video about BSNL's new service that allows messaging without a SIM. ChatGPT generated a powerful script divided into intro, how it works, benefits, outro. This is the best format for creating professional, engaging content. Alternatively, you can use Vebo's AI script tool for quick and effective results. Now, I'll move to video templates in Vebo. Search news in the template library and you'll find options like breaking news, technology news, broadcast news. I'll select a tech news template. Now let's edit. Delete the default script and paste your new one. Copy the intro narration into the text box. Choose a suitable AI voice. I found Glinda, a fast, clear, and human-like voice that's perfect for tech news. Listen to this. Welcome back to Text24, your go-to channel for the latest in technology and innovation. Doesn't that sound professional and engaging? Now let's add visuals. Click the character you want to change. Select from 150 plus realistic AI avatars. I'm choosing Amy Blogger. Her expressions are lifelike and she feels almost human. Next, I'll customize the visuals, add smooth animations, and adjust the background for a dynamic look. Finally, let's add some powerful background music. Vibo has a huge library of copyright-free background music that perfectly fits news content. Creating this took just 10 minutes, and you can do it too. Now imagine posting videos like this daily and building a channel that earns you $800 or more every month. But wait, there's more. Now, are you ready to turn your ideas into viral videos and start earning from YouTube? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because this channel is packed with powerful tips to help you grow fast. Let's get started with your first video. Today,